Let's talk about WMF frying pan uncoated 28 cm Profi pouring rim stainless steel handle Cromargan stainless steel suitable for induction hobs dishwasher safe. Content: frying pan 28 cm optimal for stovetops with 22 cm. Item number 0790389991. Suitable for all stove types, including induction ovens. TransTherm-Allherdboden, patented floor construction with even heat distribution and extended heat storage for energy efficient cooking. Material: Cromargan stainless steel rust-free 1810 dishwasher safe, easy to clean, tasteless and acid resistant. Perfect for searing at high temperatures. Wide pouring edge for drip-free pouring. Ergonomic stainless steel handle for safe handling. Cleaning, dishwasher safe. Developed in Germany. 5-year warranty. Having reviewed several saucepans from this range and finding them excellent, it also rate this larger frying pan very highly too. The build quality, like other WMF products, is fantastic and the handle is very comfortable. The base heats up evenly on my induction hob's largest ring and I find it perfect for frying larger pieces of food and preparing a pan sauce. However, if you want to do a lot of high heat searing, perhaps look for a sauté pan which will have higher walls. Remember, because this is a stainless pan, you can use metal utensils on it, which is very liberating after years of using flaky non-stick cookware. Always cook with a bit of oil or fat in the pan. If it gets stained or burnt, use barkeeper's friend and a scourer to bring it back to brand. Nice pan. Can't really think of anything wrong with it. Just remember to heat up some vinegar water in it after cooking to help remove supporting bits and to heat it really well before adding proteins to prevent sticking. It will take some getting used to if you haven't used many stainless steel pans, but you get none of the toxic coatings of non-stick pans. If you are a member of SW, then you will know the trouble we all have with fry light and non-stick pans. Well, this pan needs a little bit of elbow grease with a green pan scrub, but it comes up beautifully clean. Well worth the money paid.